In today's video lecture, we will discuss multiple choice question from ISS exam year 2022 paper 1 set A. Question number 15. Let x1 x2 follows bivariate normal with expectation of x1 equals to expectation of x2 equals to 0. Variance of x1, variance of x2 equals to 1. Correlation between x1 x2 is rho. What is the value of expectation of x1 square x2 square? Here it is given that the two variables x1 and x2 follows bivariate normal distribution. Which are the parameters? Here mean mu1 and mu2 is 0. So here 0 0. Variance of x1 is 1, variance of x2 is 1, and correlation between x1 x2 is rho. Okay, and what we want to find out, expectation of x1 square x2 square means product moment for bivariate normal distribution we want to find out. How to do that? Here we will take help of a moment generating function. But for that we need to know what is moment generating function of a bivariate normal distribution. So here moment generating function mx1 x2 t1 t2 is given as e to the power mu1 t1 plus mu2 t2 plus half t1 square sigma 1 square plus t2 square sigma 2 square plus 2 rho sigma 1 sigma 2 t1 t2. This is the moment generating function for a bivariate normal. Now here it is given that our mu1 mu2 is 0 and sigma 1 square sigma 2 square is 1. So let's put all this value. So we will get here m x1 x2 t1 t2 equals to e to the power mu1 is 0, mu2 is 0. So from here we will get half t1 square plus t2 square plus 2 rho t1 t2. Okay. Now we got moment generating function for bivariate normal with parameter 0 0 1 1 rho. Now if we want to find out rth moment, so how we find using MGF, then how we find out? We find out coefficient of t to the power r upon r factorial. This coefficient we find out. Okay. Here what we want to find out? Expectation of x1 square x2 square. So here we will find out coefficient of t to the power r upon r factorial, t to the power s upon s factorial. This coefficient we will find out. Now how to do that? Here what we have, e to the power some term. Okay. So now here if we want to expand it, what is the formula for that? Here e to the power x is given as 1 plus x upon 1 factorial plus x square upon 2 factorial plus x cube upon 3 factorial plus x to the power 4 upon 4 factorial plus and so on. Okay. Here we want to find out expectation of x1 square x2 square. That means up to x square by 2 factorial we will expand to get here t1 square t2 square upon 2 factorial according to this, because now we know our value of r and value of s is 2. So we will find out coefficient of t1 square upon 2 factorial, t2 square upon 2 factorial. For that we will expand our mxt till this term. Further we will not derive it as we don't need those terms. Okay. So now let's do that. What we will get here? Here it will be 1 plus x, 1 factorial will be 1. So our x is what? 1 by 2 t1 square plus t2 square plus 2 rho t1 t2. Okay. Now 1 upon 2 factorial I am writing as it is. We have to take now x square. Now which is our term? This is our term. Okay, so x square 1 by 2 square will be 1 by 4. Okay, now what we need here, a plus b plus c square. So what is the formula of a plus b plus c square? It is a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ac, right? So now using this we will expand and we will find out our x square term. So what it says, first we have to take a square. A square will be t1 to the power 4, okay, plus b square means which is our second term, t2. T2 square will be t2 to the power 4 plus c square. Now which is our c term? 2 row t1 t2. So we have to take its square. So it will be 4 row square t1 square t2 square, right? Now we have to take this product terms as well. So what we will get, plus 2 times a into b, t1 square into t2 square, okay, plus 2 times b into c. B into c will be what? t2 square into 2 row t1 t2. So we can write down here 2 times and this 2 will multiply. So we will get here 4 times row t1 t2 cube, because here we have t2 square and here t2, so it will be t2 cube t1, okay. And the last term is 2 times ac plus 2 times a into c. So here this 2 and 2 will be 4 and t1 square row t1 t2. So together we can write down row t1 into t1 square will be t1 cube t2, right? So now here we have expanded. Now here what we want, coefficient of t1 square upon 2 factorial, t2 square upon 2 factorial. So here let's check where we are getting t1 square and t2 square. So we are getting t1 square t2 square here and here, right? So now let's write down it together. So what we will get, coefficient of t1 square upon 2 factorial, t2 square upon 2 factorial. Here the terms are 4 row square t1 square t2 square plus 2 t1 square t2 square, okay. Now here we can take 2 t1 square t2 square common. So let's take it, 2 t1 square t2 square here. Now we have the term 2 times row square plus 1, okay. And of course with this term we have outside this constants as well, 1 upon 2 factorial and 1 by 4. That also we have to take 1 upon 2 factorial into 1 by 4, okay. So let me write down 1 upon 2 factorial 1 upon 4. Now this 2 will get cancelled. So now what we are getting here, t1 square upon 2 factorial, here t2 square upon 2 factorial, 2 row square plus 1, okay. So now which is the coefficient with t1 square upon 2 factorial, t2 square upon 2 factorial? It is 2 row square plus 1. So our answer for expectation of x1 square, x2 square is 2 row square plus 1. Is it option? Yes, option D is 2 row square plus 1. So correct answer is option D. For more videos, like, share and subscribe the channel.